Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be replacing the coolant expansion tank on a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. The coolant symbol came up on the dash, indicating that the coolant level is low, so I went to check for leaks. The coolant flange is a common part that fails, so I checked behind the engine to see if it was leaking. Then I checked the coolant hoses. That's when I noticed a slight crack on the expansion tank. I also saw coolant crust right here, indicating that it was leaking from this area as well. Now I'm going to replace the tank. I'm going to start by removing the hoses, then disconnect the socket at the bottom. This is a new one that I'll be installing. I'm going to reuse the cap from the old expansion tank. Now I'm going to install the new one, then refill the coolant. This is the coolant that I'll be using, and I'm going to do a 50-50 mix. And that's going to be it for this replacement. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.